Hello, today we're at the beautiful Wrest Park.
Yes, really looking forward to this. There's so much to see.
With more than 90 acres of beautiful gardens to explore, Wrest Park is a garden lover's dream.
The centre of the garden is split by a long formal canal, punctuated by a Baroque pavilion designed by Thomas Archer.
With everything from fancy French curves and bold Italian geometry and sweeping landscapes and woodland walks, there is something here for all tastes.
There are a number of hidden gems to discover too, including an ornate marble fountain and an 18th century bowling green house, which isn't everything it appears.
One of my favourite buildings in the gardens is the Orangery, built for Earl de Grey's collection of French orange trees. These trees were thought to be the tallest in England. Within the Orangery is a chimney piece from the original manor house. So ornate is the Orangery that it does not look like a garden feature, but like a miniature mansion in neoclassical style.
Unlike many other 17th and 18th century gardens where generations have swept away earlier fashions, the successive owners at Wrest have adapted and evolved the garden, retaining key features from earlier designs. Uniquely, this allows us to travel through 250 years of English garden history.
There are also more than 40 statues dotted around the grounds to discover.
Well, that's been absolutely lovely, hasn't it, Dol?
Oh, I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and we're ending it in the bowling green house.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.